Alright, I don't think anybody's here. You want to roll up to the next set?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a feeling we're going to run into some people up here.
Yeah. Probably didn't hear no fighting yet, but y'all might come.
Up, here we go.
Yeah,
Right up here. Oh, dude, this ain't far away at all. We're how far back are we? Oh, shit, careful. Oh, shotgun right in front of me.
I do not run. I be on the porch ass naked with my shotgun.
Right behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you.
With my shotgun.
Oh, shit.
one more. Yo, this
I don't feel like getting dressed. Straight hair, get it pressed. Clean up, no, fuck it, I'ma leave a mess.
Did he get him?
Naked
With the shotgun. Alright, Elisa. Oh, wait.
wait, what?
I meant nauseous. What?
Oh, right there.
Where?
Right
Where?
there below us. Down the hill.
Oh, okay. I see him. I see him.
I'm jumping over the rock.
You want to? Or you want to just wait on him? He's got to come up here. Yeah, he's rushing us, dude. Just hide behind something. Oh, two right here, to our left. You see him over there? Oh, he's shooting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car.
Oh my god, this is awesome. Alright.
I can see him.
Oh, right, yep. Let's go for the Jeep,
Here, there's somebody right here in front of us. See him?
Yep.
You hear that?
Yeah. Sniper shot was coming. Oh, I see him in that wood line.
I see him.
Head. Turn off
There's
now.
one at this cop car.
Turn off.
Go. Get in.
Go. We need to get in this.
Go. Woo, baby, watch out. As soon as I do, they'll fucking kill me. Which one's behind a tree? Nothing at all.
They're going for cop car.
Here, just stay right here. Stay right here.
Alright.
I'm just gonna drive off. You just chill there for a second. They'll think they don't know you're there.
Yeah. He's coming my way.
Wait for him to stop looting. Tell me when to. Oh shit, there's one behind me too. Tell me when to swing back around.
Swing now.
Alright, I'm coming. Don't start shooting. Oh shit.
I got him.
There's another one. Are you at the cop car? I'm coming.
Yeah, he's on my way.
Go.
Oh my god!
Hurry, loot him fast. Stop driving, you piece of shit. There's somebody to our south also. Southwest. 100% there's somebody over there.
Pick me up.
Alright, he's over there. He's by himself. You see him? Are you healed? There's two of them actually. I'm gonna split them and then we jump out on the one on the left. Ready?
Okay.
Go.
I mean, shit, we're actually doing fucking good with it, though. Strategic planning and shit.
Yeah. Oh, right here in front of us. See him? He's by himself.
He switched.
Go. I'm healing.
Oh my god.
Right beside us. No hits yet. Alright, they hit us.
Yeah, we're gonna have to...
Getting out. Looks like we're ass naked in the woods.
With the shotgun, though.
What's the car at? 33? It's still drivable.
Where'd it go?
They drove straight down the hill, dude. They just wanted to magnum us, yep. It's ending in the town. It's a pretty long walk with shotguns.
Yeah. I'm eating my burger right real quick, so.
I'm going to take us to the back side of town. This is on the very north side.
Oh, first cop car right there to y'all left. Oh wait, no, we're getting out anyway. Never mind. Oh, right in front of us.
Right here. Yeah, dude. I seen him fucking... He was on the, like, steps and then he just skipped.
Yeah.
Alright, dude. I gotta piss like fucking crazy.
Alright, I should have you. Go ahead.
Alright.
Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Hurry your ass up, Damascus.
Alright, man. You hear something?
Hold on 1 second. Don't move. Alright. Fucking doors. What he's about to install.
Don't matter. Still a good place.
Hell yeah, it is. I just thought about that. They come through, we both light them up.
Have to come through the front, they're dead. If they run right by us, they're dead.
This is why I do not like fucking fat ass burgers from fucking restaurants, man. They fall apart. It's slimy as hell. I gotta keep rinsing my hands off and sanitizing my hand every time I touch my keyboard.
It's still right where we're at, dude. We could probably chill for a minute, you know?
Yeah, I'd rather eat my food anyway. At least right now. Right in front of me. Perfect. One more.
Nice, dude.
Holy shit, dude! Oh, shit. Alright, let's open up the door and just take a peek.
Oh, I can see
No,
him.
down the hill.
Do you want to know? What do you want to do? Rush him? I think we can do it.
I can smoke it, but...
I don't know if they see us, though.
They do. He's looking right at you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's got to be looking right at you, dude. Yeah. He's aiming right at me.
Oh, yeah. I see. Alright.
You want me to smoke it so you can get back in?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Nah. Scoot over
Hey, wait,
some
let's
in.
get up here. Let's go right here, yeah.
Look at the gas. It's right here.
Are we safe? Please tell me we're safe.
We should be. We're in the very northeast corner, which is where it's at.
Fuck, it's moving just a little bit.
I'm putting the med kit on. Come over. Let's go.